Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Media Encoder to compress video. Understanding video compression is crucial for anyone working with digital media, as it allows you to significantly reduce file sizes without sacrificing too much visual quality. This makes your videos much easier to share, upload to platforms, and store efficiently. We will walk through the entire process, from exporting your project to fine-tuning the compression settings for optimal results. The first step is to get your video project into Adobe Media Encoder. From your editing software, like Premiere Pro or After Effects, navigate to the export settings. Instead of choosing Export directly, you will select the Queue option. This action automatically opens Media Encoder and adds your current sequence to its encoding queue. It is important to confirm that the correct sequence or composition is selected as your source for compression. Once your video is in the Media Encoder queue, it is time to customize your compression settings. A widely used format is H.264, offering excellent balance. The key setting to adjust is the bitrate. A lower bitrate means a smaller file but potentially less quality, while a higher bitrate retains more detail. You can also modify the resolution and frame rate to match your desired output specifications, ensuring your video looks great wherever it is viewed. With all your settings configured, you are ready to start the compression process. You can add several videos to the queue for efficient batch processing. Simply click the green Start Queue button, and Media Encoder will begin working through your list. You can monitor the progress of each job, seeing the estimated time remaining. Once complete, your newly compressed video file will be saved in the output folder you specified, ready for sharing or uploading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.